Do universities really use NBT scores? The short answer is yes, they absolutely do. But the way that they use your results depends on the degree and the institution. For most universities in South Africa, your NBT scores form part of your overall admissions profile. Your NBT score can strengthen or weaken your application. So, for competitive degrees like engineering, medicine, commerce, law, and health sciences, NBT scores often play a major role. Therefore, a strong NBT score can boost your chances when spaces are limited, especially if your school marks are borderline. For other programs, NBTs may be used to place you in the right level of support, such as extended programs or additional academic development programs. In some cases, universities even use NBT scores to decide if you get offered mainstream study or a foundation year. And here's something important. If your NBT score is high, it can help you stand out from students with similar school marks. It gives universities a picture of how you think, solve problems, and handle unfamiliar situations. These are all critical skills for first-year success. So, yes, universities really do look at your NBT scores. They don't replace your school marks, but they play a significant role in helping universities decide on who is ready, who needs support, and who will thrive in demanding programs. The better you prepare, the stronger you position yourself, not just for acceptance, but for success once you get it. If you're looking to prepare for your NBTs, head to advantagelearn.com, where you will find workshops and courses to help you prepare. So good luck with your NBTs and happy learning.